how to enable or disable TalkBack, customize focus, thick borders on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series.
Off.
First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen.
One UI home.
So from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, now we scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on TalkBack. Next, tap on settings, then go down to the controls section and tap on customize focus. In here at the top, tap on thick borders, tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch it off. You can also change the colors of your TalkBack border. So we got red, orange, yellow. So here we can select yellow. And you can see that if I go back to my TalkBack settings page and then turn on TalkBack.
TalkBack on.
And
TalkBack.
here it is now.
Navigate up button.
So
Double
the
tap to
border
activate.
frame is now in yellow color.
Setting. TalkBack
So if
settings.
I go in here
Navigate up
and change it to
Customize.
green,
check.
it will go into green.
Yellow, not checked. Orange.
Red,
Red.
so we can
checked.
select red.
Yellow, not checked. Checkbox.
And this is thick borders.
border, off.
So that's its normal border size. And if we turn on thick borders,
On.
that is what it looks like.
Red, check. Thick borders, on. Switch, 1 of 8.
And that's it. Thank you for
Double
watching this
tap to
video.
activate.
Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.